I did nursing for 20 years, and then after that I worked in finance, and now I look after vines.
I felt like I needed a bit of a change of direction. I left my previous job to be out in all weathers with beautiful grapes instead. As the newbies, if you like, the class of 2020, we've all got on well and we all have our little socials, shall we say.
Even on the worst days when you've got your head down with the rain beating down on you, there's always laughter and it's really nice.
The fresh air is great. You're chatting to people, you're having social time, getting a bit of exercise. It's great fun.
Yeah, most people are local. Eastbourne, Bexhill,
Seafood.
Brighton.
Yeah, it's a Sussex company, Sussex grapes, picked by Sussex people.
It feels really special this year because we've pruned the vines, we've done leaf stripping, we've done it the whole year and we've looked after them. They're like our grapes.
Yeah.
I think we'll celebrate the end of harvest with a glass of wine.
Treat ourselves to a nice bottle of Sussex Sparkling. I think that's the way to go.